Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's easy. From the last few days, I have been making a lot of Hindi videos, so that was kind of boring. So I thought let's try to make one English video that will be more beneficial to you and also it will help me to improve my English. So let's begin. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 best apps to learn English. I have been using this app from a very long time and I still use some of them. And see, the first 3 apps that I'm going to tell you are totally free, but the last 2 are paid. But in case you can't afford those paid apps, don't worry. The first 3 are also really good and you can practice with it, okay? And yes, I have given the links of all those apps in the description box. You can just go there and download if you want. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let us begin. The first one is Cake. It's a wonderful app to learn English and also it is my favorite one. I have been using this app since last 8 months and I still use it. So let me tell you what it is about. See, this app basically helps you with two things. Number one is pronunciation. It helps you to improve your pronunciation. And how does it do that? See, it has a feature where you can record your voice and get immediate feedback. Okay, so based on that feedback, you can improve your pronunciation and slowly and gradually you can sound just like a native speaker. Okay, so that app helped me so much with my pronunciation. I can't tell you. Okay, so this was first thing, that it helps you to improve your pronunciation. Another thing is that it helps you to learn a lot of amazing daily use English expression, sentences, phrases, and there is a new conversation added every day. Okay, so it basically helps you to learn how to make sentence. So these were the two things that I really loved about this app, the pronunciation thing and to make how to make sentences. Okay, and yeah, one more thing is that this app teaches you English in a wonderful and very creative way. They give you a lot of videos. There are tons of videos on this app. These videos come from, like, they are the clips of TV shows or movies or songs, or it could be some YouTube videos. So these videos are nothing but just small clips from those sources. Also, one last thing, that you can revise all these expression later, because there is an option where you can save those sentences and you can review them later. Okay, so that's a great thing. So do check it out, this app. It's a free app, so you must use it. Trust me, it is a wonderful app to learn English. So that was all about Cake app. Now let's see the second app. So the second app is Spoken English Guru. This app is mainly for beginners, people who have just started learning English. I think this is very useful app for them. And this particular app is managed by Aditya sir, and he's also running a very successful YouTube channel. He makes amazing English related videos and his content is mainly for people who want to learn grammar. So also he makes videos related to translation exercises and some daily use English sentences, vocabulary. He covers everything. So all that material that he shares in the video is given in app, and so you can check out his channel and you can also download the app to learn more about it. And also, if you are interested in learning grammar, you can definitely visit his channel. It is very useful. Okay, so that was the second app that we discussed, Spoken English Guru. Now let us see the third app. So the third app is OpenTalk. On this app, you can find yourself a good English speaking partner. You can talk to anybody, like you can talk to a person from different city, from different state, or you can even talk to native English speakers. There are many people on this app who are from different countries. Okay, some are from America, some are from Australia. They are like native English speakers, so you can talk to them and improve your English. And this app is totally free. And one more thing, see, when you're talking to them, it also takes care of your privacy. Okay, it does not share your personal details, your contact number to the other person, so there is no issue of privacy as such. And apart from that, I think this app is very good for improving your communication skills. Also, you get to know new people, you get to know about their culture, and you also get to make new friends. So I think if you don't have anybody to practice English with, you should definitely check out this app. Okay, so this was the third app, OpenTalk. Now we are going to see the fourth app. So fourth app is Invarta. Ingvarta is very similar to OpenTalk, but the only difference is that this is a paid app. Why? Because here you get to talk to English experts. Okay, they all are Indian, so it is easy to understand their accent and it's easy to have a conversation with them. And in case you get stuck, they will help you out because they do understand Hindi. Okay, and I've also tried this app. I think I had a great experience because the teachers are very supportive and friendly. They encourage you to speak and they guide you, they correct you. So it's a wonderful way to improve your English speaking skills. So if you feel hesitant to speak in English, do try this app. So that was all about Ingvarta. Now we're going to see the fifth one. The last app is Cambly. It is a paid app. Here you can have conversation with native English speaker on a video call, and you can select your own tutor on Cambly. You get a lot of certified English trainers on Cambly, and if you're preparing for any competitive exam like IELTS or anything, then I think this will be very beneficial to you because there are a lot of good English teachers on Cambly. Okay, so they can help you a lot. I've also tried this app. I took a subscription for 1 month and I had 4 conversations with different English speakers, and I've also put the recordings of all those conversation on my channel. If you want, you can check it out. I'll share the link in the description box. And apart from that, I would say that teachers on Cambly are also very supportive and friendly. You know, they encourage you to speak, and this app will be also helpful if you want to understand, if you want to learn the American accent, British accent. That was it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big fat thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. And do tell me in the comment section that which app are you going to use and how was your experience with that app. Okay, so that's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.